Well, we're continuing to track a little bit of that freezing fog this morning. Again, that's going to be the main weather headline as you head out the door. It's going to be reducing that visibility. That's going to be the biggest takeaway from a lot of this, but there could be a few slick spots, and I think where they're going to be is north of I-70, between about there and Highway 24 here in some of our northern counties. Most of us, though, the biggest impact besides that visibility can be that glaze on the windshield this morning. Almost kind of acts like a thick layer of frost, but here's the latest look at Fog Tracker, and again, this has done a pretty good job at picking up where the problem spots are here in Columbia. Jefferson City has been struggling to kind of develop this, getting going this morning. So again, a lot of that's starting to break up and burn off as we get into about 9 and 10 o'clock. So we'll have to deal with this here over the next hour or two. But again, temperature-wise, going to be a little bit of a struggle today to warm up with some of that cloud cover out there. I think we get to about 40 degrees. We do a little better, though, tomorrow. We turn those winds out of the southwest, and that'll help matters out just a little bit more. We add on some sunshine. I think we can get all the way up to about 50 degrees looking over the next couple of days. Tomorrow, and then on Thursday, I think Thursday is probably the better of the 2 days if we're trying to split hairs. Winds looks like it's going to back off here as we get into Thursday itself compared to what we're going to be tracking tomorrow. But cold front puts an end to that on Friday. We hang on to the chilly weather on Saturday. And then we're going to be tracking our next storm system by Sunday. Here's how Future Track has this unfolding. And again, still a lot of questions that we're going to have to answer between now and then. But some of that moisture working its way out of the south. Here comes that system. Early in the day on Sunday, if we see a wintry mix, that's when we're going to be seeing it. But we're going to continue to warm up throughout the afternoon with those winds out of the south. And that should turn whatever we've got over in terms of that wintry mix over to just that rain as we get into the afternoon. But the latest round of Future Track's trying to keep a lot of that moisture out of here as we get into the final day of this weekend. So again, still continuing to track this. It looks like if we're trying to lean in one direction with some of that model guidance, looks like we may be leaning more so towards some rain here as we get into Sunday. But again, we'll continue to track that. We got a couple of days to do so. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. Get out there and enjoy today, tomorrow, and even into Thursday. It looks like it's going to cool down, though, as we get into Friday and Saturday, back into the 30s to close out the work week.